Hi everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2021 Mercedes-Benz AMG GLE 53 4MATIC. We've got a black exterior here with a black interior. Blind spot assist. Come around to the rear of the vehicle, you can see our AMG, Mercedes-Benz, and GLE 53 badging. Power opening and closing trunk. Just push button to close. Take a look at our rear seats. We also do have this accent trim throughout the vehicle, as well as the premium Burmester sound system. Quick look up at the front of the vehicle. And we'll look at our driver's side next. So we do have heated and ventilated seats for both driver and passenger, as well as memory power seats. You can see the controls here. Door controls, driver's seat, AMG badging, AMG styled steering wheel. And we'll go ahead and hop inside. Mileage in this vehicle currently at 33,990. And we have a push button ignition. Here we have our Mercedes-Benz touchscreen display, currently showing navigation, radio, and backup camera. Below the display we have our climate control, wireless charging pad for a cell phone, cup holders, and command module for also making adjustments on the display. Finally, the Mercedes-Benz shifter. If you're interested in getting additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmanimports.com.